Aisha, God be pleased with her, narrates, the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, would say the takbeer, the words, Allahu Akbar, at the beginning of the prayer. After this, he would recite the Fatiha, the first chapter of the Holy Quran. When he bowed down, he would not keep his head high nor would he let it droop. Rather he would keep it in a straight line with his back which stayed horizontal during this posture. When he rose from the bowing position, he would stand upright and then move into the prostrate position. When he raised his head from the prostrate position, he would assume a sitting position and pause a while before going into the second prostration. After every 2 rak'ats he would sit down to recite the Attahiyat, a prescribed recitation. In this posture his right foot was placed vertically and his left foot rested horizontally on the ground. He instructed, do not rest your elbows on the ground during prostration in the manner of a dog. And he forbade stretching the legs in a devilish posture. He would end the prayer saying, peace and mercy of Allah be upon you.